Understanding Harbor Regulations, a guide for mariners and enthusiasts. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a very specific but important topic, harbor regulations. Whether you're a mariner, a marine enthusiast, or just curious about maritime laws, understanding harbor regulations is crucial for safety and compliance. Let's embark on this journey together and decode the meaning and importance of these regulations. Harbor regulations are a set of rules and guidelines designed to ensure the safe and efficient operation of ships, boats, and other watercraft within a harbor. These regulations cover a wide range of activities, including but not limited to speed limits, mooring and anchoring practices, navigation rules, and environmental protection measures. They are enforced by harbor authorities or local government agencies to prevent accidents, protect the marine environment, and facilitate maritime commerce. Understanding and adhering to harbor regulations is essential for several reasons. Firstly, they enhance safety by reducing the risk of collisions and accidents in busy or confined waterways. Secondly, they protect the marine environment from pollution and damage caused by irresponsible boating practices. Lastly, by following these regulations, mariners contribute to the smooth operation of port activities, including cargo handling, passenger services, and maintenance work, which are vital for local and global economies. 1. Speed limits. Similar to road traffic laws, harbors have speed limits to prevent collisions and wake damage. 2. Navigation rules. These include right-of-way rules, designated shipping lanes, and instructions for avoiding navigational hazards. 3. Mooring and anchoring. Specific areas within a harbor may be designated for anchoring or mooring, with regulations on how to do so safely. 4. Environmental protections. Rules against dumping waste, fuel spillage precautions, and wildlife protection measures are common. 1. Consult local harbor authorities. Each harbor will have its own set of regulations, available through local harbor masters' offices or online. 2. Take boating safety courses. These often include detailed sections on local and international maritime laws, including harbor regulations. 3. Stay updated. Regulations can change, so it's important for mariners to stay informed about the latest rules and guidelines. We hope this video has shed some light on the importance and basics of harbor regulations. Remember, whether you're a seasoned sailor or a casual boater, understanding and complying with these rules is essential for everyone's safety and the protection of our beautiful marine environments. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.